Okay, set on your truck.
Okay, let it run. We've got to be slightly careful because there's no brakes on this thing, and if it runs away, she goes face first onto the floor. But she's mad for it. Look, I can't move it.
Okay, hold on, go. I'll hold you. But there's no one to make.
Okay.
Shall I put her on?
And the added use that we've just discovered is, watch this. Woohoo! Let it rip.
Buddy, leave it.
Buddy, here. Buddy, here. Down. Down. Good boy. Okay, let it rip. Good boy. Good dog.
And I thought it's time to make it work.
Oh yeah, watch this. Catch it. Why doesn't it run? Why doesn't it go? Oh, okay. Oh, it's awfully tired. It is nearly 7 o'clock, isn't it?
Use this. Use this. It's going to crash into now. You ready?
We're waiting for the inevitable face down onto the floor incident. You should get this truck with vouchers for A&E as well. Or Bupa tickets or something for the face reconstruction. I hope I'm not tempting fate here. That's am I tempting fate? Oh. Good boy. You've been trying to look.
She's trying to get her cubes. Tata! Paka! Okay, she's awfully determined. Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, she wants to get past me.
I know.
Go backwards. Can you that hurts. Try it again.
Da-da-da-da.
Try it again. Ah, that really does hurt.
It's a good game, isn't it? Crash the truck into death. Yeah. Thanks, Rose and Rob. That's brilliant. Okay. Tata, Paka. Okay, she's off now. That's another total good thing. Okay,